is the day. This is the day that I'm girly. Okay.
No, for real. Okay. Screw. I'm back because I forgot something. You will need some freeze. It's very annoying. Can you guys see it? I need to flatten that mamacita. Another thing you can use to flatten out your wig top or close your frontal hot comb, you can use water or you can use mousse. This time I'm gonna take it. Yeah, and I haven't ordered me some contacts, so I barely can see. So you might see me getting up closer to look or what. And I don't think I'm gonna have an intro. I lost all my stuff. I normally grab it, but I'm not gonna do it because I can barely see it and I don't want to burn myself. And I just did. Then you twist. The way you twist is like your wrist is like moving. I don't know this way. And I normally hold it, but it fell out my hand. Squeeze it. And this is when you spray some Got2b Freeze, but I'm not.